I'm gonna make a change and you're gonna witness the process in this video. Hello, hello, hello! Mai's here again in the studio today. Yay! And this is a dress I just finished making. Double yay! Yay! So if you are new to this channel, welcome. And if you are thinking, this lady is crazy. This is not my usual way of starting a video, although I might be a little crazy. So go check other videos to get used to me and come back maybe. Anyway, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ryuno. I'm a contemporary artist and educator at Playful Grand in Monterey, California. On this channel, I demystify the creative process of think, do, share for those who are looking for inspiration, education, and creativity for their everyday life. You might also find something else though that's totally fine. I love to hear from you what you see in my videos, what you get out of them. Today, I have no background here. It's only white canvas because I'm gonna make a change and start new. And you're gonna witness the process of making the change. So what am I gonna do? It's the haircut. I never had this long hair in my life. It's the result of the pandemic. I haven't gotten haircut. I don't know. Definitely over a year and a half. Today, for the sake of change, I am going to cut my hair by myself with the help from my husband, Drew. Let's get started. I'm gonna cut one side somewhere here. I'm gonna keep 12-inch for potential hair donation and cut the other side different lengths and connect these two dots by cutting hair with a seam, but he will tell me where to go, so we'll see what happens. Oh, my first cut. I'm gonna cut this one somewhat longer, like here. I have no idea what's happening. Done! The second. Already I see zigzag. Okay, so start from here and please tell me where I'm going, what I should do. Is it good?
Maybe down a little.
Down?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I'm trying to go down. Am I going down?
You went down already.
I did?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh! Whoa! Just got big chunk of hair down. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Is this a good place?
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish that. Is this good?
Yeah.
A little cut. Cut. Am I going to the end? Whoa.
You should.
I left some
Yeah, you have a piece in the front.
up front.
Right there.
Here. I'm gonna do this. This here.
Yeah.
Is this good? Got it. Next. Is this good? I'm just feeling a little bit. More hair. How is it going so far?
Good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Then here, right? It's coming next. Good. And is this okay? You sure? Okay, so this is the last.
Close.
So far, so good. Am I doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Can you look at it from the back? Any place that I should trim or anything?
You're good.
You want to do it?
Bend your head forward a little bit.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good? Yay! We did it! I shared the process in this video and make another video to talk about the change in relation to art and creativity, which will be the theme of my videos in August. So please hang out again and let me know what you think. You like that? You like it?